Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya and my teammate Bimla.
So hello everyone. Today I'm excited to present my project Pitch Pilot AI. So coming up with a startup idea is not very difficult. However, transforming that idea into a proper business plan, validating whether it is feasible, identifying the target users, defining product features and finally creating a convincing pitch for investors can be extremely challenging. So for especially for students and first time entrepreneurs. So this is where Pitch Pilot AI comes in. So Pitch Pilot AI is an AI powered startup assistant that guides users from the initial idea stage all the way to an investor ready pitch. So it acts as a virtual mentor that helps users structure their thoughts, validate their business concepts, identify customers, prioritize features, and create a professional startup presentation. So, the goal of this project is to make entrepreneurship more accessible, organized, and less overwhelming for aspiring founders. So, the problem statement for this is so before discussing the solution, first now let's understand the problem. So, many college students and aspiring entrepreneurs have innovative ideas, but they often face several challenges. So they are unsure solves whether their idea solves a real problem. So they struggle to identify the right target audience. They don't know how to create a business model. They find it difficult to prioritize product features. So they lack guidance from experienced mentors. So and also they often fail to create convincing investor pitches. As a result, many potential valuable ideas never move beyond the planning stage. So, the solution is Pitch Pilot AI, where Pitch Pilot AI solves these problems by providing a structured and AI assisted startup building workflow. So, the platform takes users through six major stages. Start the first stage is startup canvas, and the second stage is mentor chat, and the third one is feasibility analysis, and the fourth one is customer personas, and the fifth one is MVP feature planning, and the last step is pitch script generation, where each step contributes to building a complete startup blueprint. So let me demonstrate how it works. So startup step one is startup canvas form. First step is the startup canvas form. This section helps users clearly define their startup idea. So for example, in my project the startup name is Campus Bytes. So for example, in my project the problem identified is like college students get hungry late at night and the campus dining is closed, and the target users are college students living in campus dorms, and the solution for this is a peer-to-peer campus delivery app run by students. And also the solution includes the learning roadmaps, skill tracking, progress monitoring, and resource recommendations, and also student communities. And this stage ensures that the startup idea is clearly structured before moving forward. Instead of randomly brainstorming, users create a strong foundation for their business. And the second step is mentor chat. In this, it is one of the biggest challenges for beginners is the lack of mentorship, where Pitch Pilot AI addresses this by providing an AI-powered mentor. So users can ask questions like, is my idea practical? How can I improve my business model? Or like about the pricing and all. So like what challenges I might face. So this creates an experience similar to having a startup advisor available at any time. So the AI mentor provides intelligent suggestions and guidance based on startup best practices. And the next step is feasibility analysis. where in this it focuses mainly on the feasibility, where it is giving having an idea is important, but not every idea is practical or profitable, where pitch pilot AI evaluates multiple factors including problem solution fit, market size potential, competitive advantage, technical feasibility, and also team compatibility match. And it also shows the improvement action checklist. So this system generates scores and insights that help users understand whether their startup concept is realistic. This reduces the risk and encourages the data-driven decision making rather than relying solely on assumptions. And the next step is personas, where in this every successful product is built for a specific group and users. So Pitch Pilot AI creates detailed customer personas by analyzing the startup concepts. So for the skill bridge exam, so for the campus it's the primary users are the college students, where the platform identifies the user goals, pain points, learning preferences, challenges, and also expectations. And this helps the founders understand their audience better and build solutions that genuinely solve users' problem. Instead of designing products blindly, startups can make customer focused decisions. And the next feature is MVP feature board. Now we come to one of the most important sections, the MVP feature board, where MVP stands for minimum viable product, where many startups fail because they try to build too many features at once. Pitch Pilot AI solves this by categorizing features into three groups: must have features, should have, could have. Where in must have features, the essential features required for the product to function. So, example, peer matching form, or manual order dispatch and chat, and basic payment and link integration. Whereas in should have, it helps to give the features that helps to improve the user experiences, but are not mandatory in the first release. Example like live ETA SMS updates, runner dashboards. Whereas in could have, these are the future enhancements. Where in this, like for example, for this project, we can like the future enhancement is in-app real-time map tracking and also group discount checkout. And it also gives the recommended lean stack, like what can be used for the website or whatever it is. And the last final step is pitch script generation, where in this, after gathering all the information from the previous stages, Pitch Pilot AI automatically creates a startup pitch. This pitch includes startup introduction, problem statement, proposed solution, target audience, market opportunity, product features, competitive advantages, and also the business value. Instead of spending hours preparing presentations, users receive a structured pitch that can be refined and presented to investors, judges, professors, or incubators. So the technologies used to build Pitch Pilot AI is mod and also web technologies that can be integrated. So these all include the generative AI models, natural language processing, prompt engineering, front-end web technologies, back-end APIs, and data analytics models. So these are the code which you have used here, and so this is the main like the UI UX which we have used for this. And yes, together these technologies enable intelligent recommendations and automated startup planning. So benefits of the Pitch Pilot AI is that faster startup planning, AI powered mentorship, structured idea validation, better customer understanding, and better like automated pitch generation. And it also reduce startup planning complexity. So to conclude, Pitch Pilot AI, it is an AI-powered startup assistant that helps users to move from an idea to an investor-ready pitch through a guided and intelligent workflow. So by combining, uh, so by so by combining startup frameworks, AI mentorship, feasibility analysis, customer understanding, feature prioritization, and pitch generation, the platform simplifies one of the most challenging aspects of entrepreneurship. So Pitch Pilot AI empowers students, innovators, and aspiring uh, founders to transform their ideas into structured, actionable, and scalable business opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning about Pitch Pilot AI. And it has live evaluation where it shows what and all like the strengths, weakness, and the risk, and also the feasibility, and it also gives the rating like the overall rating which it gives, and also the target customers, and also the MVP feature suggestion